Tips on how to design a flower stand made of metal. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about tips and ideas on how to design a beautiful flower stand made of metal. A metal flower stand is not only strong and durable, but also adds a touch of elegance and modern charm to your garden or indoor space. The first step is to choose the right metal stand. You can find many designs, from simple single-tier stands to elegant multi-layered ones. Choose a style that matches your space. For example, a black wrought iron stand gives a classic look, while a gold or white metal stand feels more modern and fresh. Make sure it's sturdy enough to hold several pots and is rust-resistant, especially if you plan to place it outdoors. Next, let's talk about the flowers. The key is balance and color harmony. You can mix tall flowering plants like lilies or sunflowers with medium blooms such as geraniums or petunias, and finish with small trailing plants like ivy or ferns. Group plants that complement each other in color. For instance, pink and white flowers create a soft romantic theme, while red and yellow blooms make a bright, cheerful design. When arranging your plants, start from the top with the tallest or trailing plants, and work your way down with medium and smaller pots. This creates a cascading effect that highlights every layer of your stand. To make it even more decorative, add string lights, small garden ornaments, or decorative stones around the pots. You can also paint or wrap parts of the metal stand with ribbons or fabric for a creative touch. If you prefer a modern vibe, keep it simple with matching pots and clean lines. And there you have it. Designing a metal flower stand is all about mixing strength with style. Choose the right structure, add vibrant plants, and decorate it with your personal touch. You'll have a flower stand that becomes the centerpiece of your garden or home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening and creative design tips. See you in the next video.